Hey, Scott, let me ask you a question about waking up early. Recently, I think a week ago or so, I heard something you saying. This is near and dear to me because I'm known to criticize the miracle morning, especially coming out of the military, right? Like, oh, really? Wake up early? Who knew? Except every farmer since the agricultural revolution 12,000 years ago. Wake up early, get stuff done. Who knew? And so I heard that you maybe feel a similar way about this. Because is that correct? I heard you railing about
I
waking up early.
may or may not have told him
No,
about your very insightful article I read.
I hate getting up early, and I can't stand people who say, "Hey, you have to get up early to be successful." Although,
Okay, good. No, hang on. Okay, good. In completely unrelated news, a completely unrelated topic. Who's the keynote speaker for BPCon?
Hal Elrod.
And for those of you listening who did not put that together, Hal Elrod is the author of The Miracle Morning.
I don't choose the speaker lineup. I love Hal Elrod. I think he's got some great things to say, right? I think, like, here's how I look at it. If you want to be successful, you got to do a number of things, right? You got to spend less than you make, right? You've got to read, you've got to network, you've got to exercise, get up early, whatever it is, right? It's pick 10 of the 15 things that you got to do, and you could ignore the other 5, right? So there's plenty of people out there who are wealthy, successful, helping lots of people who are very unhealthy, right? Just, fat, out of shape, whatever, right? You don't have to exercise or eat healthy, but these things all tend towards success. So I certainly don't disagree that waking up early and getting your whole day knocked out before everything else. Oh, whoopsies! Yeah, is a good way to go. Is a good way to be successful. But saying that you have to do it is absurd, and you don't have to do it, and I don't do it, and that works for me.